Hello, all learners. Today we are going to have our topic India's new labor codes. Welcome to deep dive into India's new labor codes and their impact by 2025, specifically focusing on how these changes affect students and the future workforce. Today we will unravel the complexities of these codes with a clear and confident analysis. Four codes, one vision. First, let's break down what the new labor codes are, enacted in 2025. These codes are designed to simplify and modernize India's labor laws, consolidating numerous legislation regulations into more streamlined framework. We will explore the key components of these codes and what they aim to achieve. Now, let's focus on the impact of these codes on students and young workers, with changes in internship regulations, job security, and working conditions. Understanding these codes is very crucial for anyone entering the workforce. We will analyze how these changes are poisoned to affect your career planning and job opportunities. The numbers tell the story. 300 plus companies impacted. Threshold for layoff approved raised significantly. 12 working hours, maximum daily with overtime provisions. 50% female workforce. Target participation by rate by 2030. These codes aim to balance employer flexibility with worker protection, creating a modern framework for India's growing economy. Now let's see some real stories from the field. To bring our analysis to life, let's look at some case studies and real-world examples of how the new labor codes are being implemented across various industries. This will give us a clearer picture of the practical implications of these laws. Industrial transformation in motion. Compliance simplified, hiring flexibility, worker protection. After 2025, there are only four unified comprehensive codes. Digital first registration process. Universal social security coverage. And here we go. Preparing for our future. First, stay informed. Second, know your rights. Third, document everything. Fourth, network actively. Fifth, embrace flexibility. Your workforce journey begins now. In conclusion, the new labor codes represent a significant shift in India's employment landscape. For students and future workers, staying informed and adaptability is key. We will wrap up with some final thoughts on how you can prepare for these changes and seize new opportunities. I hope this video has helped you. That's it for today. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.